Hello everyone, Shane Plummer, President of the National Modena Club. We're here at Devin Wilkin's place, and we're going to have a little Modena moment. He's conned all of these people into coming to do some free labor in looking at his birds and having different eyes on them. Is that what you wanted, Dev?
Yeah, exactly. It's exactly what everybody has, a different favorite bird, so it kind of helps me and then confuses me all at the same time.
But it's
Well, that don't surprise us.
Devin has amazing hospitality here in Fort Worth, Texas, and let's look at some of these birds. These are all young birds. Devin, how many coops did you line up?
I had 128 earlier, but I already put a bunch of birds away. We threatened to turn them loose if we wouldn't put them.
Everybody came here and has a different eye, looking at different things. Dev, what's your favorite bird?
Oh, that's tough. I probably like the red check Gazzy down here that Max is handling roughly.
We have Max Josey, the outlaw. This was his pick. And we're all arguing whether it's a hen or a cock. But if it's a hen, Bob Gathright says he's taking it home and getting back into Modena's. Is that right, Bob?
Yes, sir. That's right. That's right.
Look at some of these birds.
And this was Bob's favorite.
Really typey young white hen.
What does he know? He don't even have Modena.
I've got face holes now.
Mm.
Oh, I like that.
Beautiful station.
You got tumblers?
As you can see, Devin, how many babies you banned so far?
238.
238. Wow. Amazing.
Shane, what was your pick? Was your pick the blue?
My pick's the blue.
Okay.
I like the blue and the Andalusian, but this is my favorite stock bird right here. I love this bird. Probably a cock?
Yeah, I'm guessing.
Oh, I love that bird.
Hasn't shown to be a cock yet, but
They're kind of wearing out now. They've been out here, probably want a drink. Why don't we go look at that blue? This is a hen. She just looks like an old bird to me. Beautiful.
That bird down.
Nice bird. Why don't you show us that bronze try that you like?
Oh, this bird you like, Shane? I like that bird.
Yeah, I really like that bird.
Look at the silver second.
this
Yeah.
silver?
Yeah, sticking.
I like the other silver better.
The one with the creases,
Yeah.
says the judge.
Beautiful.
Here, see, that one can go 600 miles. That's a 200-mile bird.
Look at that stock bird. Nice and short, thick legs.
And this bird right here is one of my favorites, probably, but the color definitely not ideal or what I was going for.
And you say it's out of 2 bronzes.
2 bronzes.
And probably going to go back into black or maybe.
Probably black.
Yeah. Oh, that is a great bird.
I mean, if it could be black, I'd be
Yeah,
super happy.
Other than that's a sweet pigeon. Ooh. And then, as you can see, Devin's got an amazing young bird loft there, and then that's his breeding loft here. He really has done a great job with a magnificent setup for Modena production, and look at the quality that he's been raising. It's great.
Here's that other silver that I think's better.
What was your pick, Les? You like that one? Yeah, I like it too. Let's look at this silver first. Oops, I spooked it. I didn't set it up very good, did I? It's not fair to show you guys videos. You can't see what we see live. Video and photos are kind of hard, but yeah, that's a really nice bird. Yeah, and then we were admiring this little hen. She's really young. Doesn't have the best markings. Oh, look at her.
Can I ride
She
this
is
horse?
such a nice, typey bird. I agree with you, Les. Quality.
Showed this Andalusian's down here.
Yeah, really nice
Having a
Andalusians.
little debate on which one we like best. This one's my pick.
Because you like the round body.
I think it has more depth, you
Yeah.
know. And this is probably Shane's pick.
Well, I'm no master breeder, but the master breeders agreed with me, so I'm good. He's spooked right now, isn't he?
But yeah, I like that one a lot. And it's younger, so I think I don't know. We'll see. Time will tell, I guess. Well, you don't like my pick?
No,
I don't like the spoilers
It's,
behind the legs.
it's a little more fuller up here, but look at the rear end.
Let's wait till it finishes. It's falling apart.
And,
No, the fluff. It's on the tail.
well, we hope you enjoyed that Modena moment. It's really nice to have this many people here in North Texas.
Disagreeing with one another.
Yeah. But thanks for watching, and tune in next time.